favor from God. And let's go start the vlog, guys. Let's start the wedding. This is my decision. This is my decision.
Just be smiling for me. Yeah, close your eyes. Yeah. Okay. GBM my video. Okay. A finish one. A finish one. Voila, girl. Snap, snap.
shadows creep, whispers of the city, secrets they keep. Underneath the street lamp, steady burn. Life's a game of dice, wait in your turn. City lights shine, but they never show the truths we hide, the things we don't know. Concrete jungle beats in the air, dreams take flight, but beware, beware. Graffiti tells tales on the subway line, lost souls searching, trying to redefine. Echoes of struggle in alleys tight, fighting for a moment under neon light. Corners hum with the jazzy
Hey people, at this time you already know that Chika had a good time. Like I had a very fun time at this wedding. Choma's wedding was just somewhere I needed to unwind with all the mommy duties and every work. And I really had a good time at the wedding. Hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog so far. Choma is my friend from way back in uni, like I said earlier, and we linked up, we danced, we ate, we drank. You could see that I took some shots, oh yes, here and there. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As you already know, this is actually my first ashwebi in a long while, if not even my first ashwebi ever. Did I slay? Did I not slay? Did the makeup pop? Did it not pop? So let us know in the comment section if I slayed, if you like my outfit, and if you could do something like this. Is actually a skirt and blouse and I loved it. So the fact that he hid that mommy pouch to an extent, that fuba, you understand, God will help us, so we'll get rid of it finally. Okay, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe like I already said, and I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, this is your girl Chika Oputa signing out now.